Dropbox Sign versus DocuSign. Choosing the right e-signature platform can completely change how you manage contracts and approvals without the hassle of slow workflows. Both offer secure signing but differ in features and user experience. Dropbox Sign and DocuSign are two leading e-signature platforms designed to streamline document signing. The core difference lies in Dropbox Sign's simplicity and integration with Dropbox, while DocuSign offers a broader range of advanced features for complex workflows. Dropbox Sign is an e-signature solution built to simplify signing processes, especially for Dropbox users. It allows you to upload documents, add signature fields, and send them securely for signing, all within a clean, user-friendly interface. Its strengths include seamless integration with Dropbox storage, straightforward setup, and affordability for small to medium businesses. Dropbox Sign supports legally binding signatures and offers essential audit trails for compliance. However, it lacks some of the advanced workflow automation and customization features found in more enterprise-focused platforms. Ideal users are teams and individuals who prioritize ease of use, quick deployment, and tight integration with Dropbox's cloud ecosystem, making it perfect for startups and businesses already using Dropbox for file management. DocuSign is a comprehensive e-signature platform known for its robust feature set and scalability. It supports complex workflows, multiple authentication methods, and extensive integration options across various business tools. DocuSign enables users to prepare, sign, act on, and manage agreements digitally with high security and compliance standards. Its strengths lie in advanced workflow automation, customizable templates, and support for a wide range of industries and use cases. The platform also provides detailed reporting and analytics to track document status. On the downside, DocuSign's broad capabilities can introduce a steeper learning curve and higher costs, especially for smaller teams. It's best suited for enterprises and organizations needing scalable solutions that handle complex signing processes and compliance requirements across global operations. Dropbox Sign offers simplicity and fast setup, ideal for businesses that need straightforward e-signing with Dropbox integration. It excels in ease of use and affordability, but lacks advanced workflow customization. DocuSign, by contrast, is feature-rich and scalable, supporting complex signing scenarios and compliance needs. For example, a small startup managing contracts internally benefits from Dropbox Sign's streamlined interface, while a large corporation handling multi-party agreements and regulatory compliance will find DocuSign's tools essential. The trade-off is between simplicity and depth. Dropbox Sign focuses on core signing tasks efficiently, whereas DocuSign covers extensive business requirements but demands more time and investment to master. Choose Dropbox Sign if you want an easy-to-use, affordable e-signature solution tightly integrated with Dropbox, perfect for small to medium businesses. Opt for DocuSign when you require advanced features, extensive customization, and enterprise-grade compliance for complex workflows. Both platforms deliver secure e-signing, so select based on your business size and signing needs for the best fit.